Hi mommies, this is Tanya, Noor's mom. So today I am going to be speaking about when and how much water to give to your babies. So first, let's go to the age group of 0 to 6 months of babies. So in this age bracket, babies are either exclusively breastfeeding or they are on formula feeding or they are on a mixed schedule. So, in all of these three situations, the baby's requirement for water is met by either formula or breast milk, because breast milk is anyways 80 to 90% made up of water, and even formula is 50% water and 50% formula. So, from 0 to 6 months of age, your babies do not need any additional water. Irrespective of the season, whether it's hot or cold or humid or rainy or whatever, irrespective of it, you're not supposed to give any water to your babies, because their water requirement is already being met in their milk, whether it be breast milk or formula milk. And also because babies' kidneys are not that mature enough to metabolize a lot of water in that age bracket. So what happens is, if the baby's body gets more water, it causes the sodium levels in the body to go down, which can lead to a condition called water intoxication, which can cause brain seizures in babies and can affect their brain development. So please avoid any water till 6 months of age, because even if you give water, what happens is babies' stomachs are very tiny, so they'll fill up their stomachs with water and they won't get any nutrition. So avoid giving water till 6 months of age. Now, when can you start giving water? So start after 6 months. You can start with around, say, 2 ounces a day. So give your baby water every 2 to 3 hours when you start it. Start with around 2 ounces a day, but do not exceed 4 ounces. From 6 to 9 months of age, maximum that you can give your baby is 4 ounces of water a day, right? Now, from 9 to 12 months of babies, you can give a maximum of 8 ounces of water a day. And after 12 months, so when the baby crosses a year, then see, the baby becomes a toddler. So the baby loses water more quickly than us adults, because the baby is so active and moving around. So then the baby's water requirement increases, and then they need 8 ounces minimum a day, and they can go till at least 32 ounces a day, or you can say around a liter a day. So that is what is required in a day. Now, how to check if your baby is hydrated or not? So you can check that with the help of the baby's urine. So the baby's urine should not be dark yellow in color. It should either be colorless or pale yellow. So if it's colorless and pale yellow, your baby's hydration is right. It's absolutely fine. You don't need to worry about it. But if it is dark yellow, please try to increase the water intake, and also check with your baby's pediatrician. Now, what kind of water to give? So initially, when you just introduce water, it is advised to give boiled water to your babies. So just take water from your RO or your AquaGuard filter, boil for a good 5 minutes, and then give that to your baby. But remember that you need to reduce this dependency of your babies on boiled water also. So by, say, 7th or 8th month, move on to plain RO water or AquaGuard water. So that's what I have been doing. So I started with boiled water, and now, since Noor is almost touched 8 months, I've moved on to RO water, so that her system also gets adjusted to normal water, and she can also develop that gut immunity. Now, how often can you give water? Give it every 2 to 3 hours. There might be times where the baby takes in more at a time, and there might be times he or she might take a sip or so. So the whole idea is just to get baby in the habit of drinking something else other than milk. So you can try to give it every 2 to 3 hours, or you can give it only at meal times. So pick your own schedule and see what suits you and your baby. But your baby must start drinking water after 6 months, because we also start solids, and water helps in digesting solids also by breaking solids, which also prevents constipation. So that's all about the baby's water requirements. uh, and now if you will ask me that which cups am I using for Noor and how did I transition, so I'll be making a separate video on that. But in this video, all that I had to tell you was how to start giving water, how much to give water, in what intervals, and what kind of water. So even if your baby is not accepting water, doesn't like the taste of water, keep at it, because eventually you have to make the baby drink water, and the baby will also drink water. So even if your baby is just drinking like half an ounce a day initially, or 1 ounce, it's absolutely fine. The baby will take time, and so will you. So relax, don't worry about it. These are just some rough guidelines that you can follow. And wait for my next video on all about sippy cups, open cups, trainer cups, and then I can take more questions on this topic. But in the meanwhile, please let me know in the comment section if you have any more questions regarding water requirement in babies. And please share, like, and save this for future references. Thank you so much. Bye bye.